All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the quad-signed USC Heisman jersey. So we'll check the time, August 30th at 7:44 p.m. We're going to go over to we'll call it the video, and type live. We have August 30th at 7:44 p.m. There is the list of our three entries, but Bill gets two because there were two twos on the jersey. So we're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Michael. Spot 3 is our winner. So, Michael, please message me to collect your jersey. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 30th, 7:44 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.